Bathing a cat can be a difficult task, especially when faced with a feline friend who hates water. While many cats are known for their aversion to getting wet, certain situations may involve a bath. With a right approach and a bit patience, bathing your cat can become a more manageable and even stress-free experience for both you and your feline companion. So by using some simple methods, you can easily bathe your cat that hates water. Before bath, you should cut your cat's nails with any nail clipper to keep him ready for bath. Pet Republic Professional Stainless Steel Claw Clipper is effective because its blades are sharp enough to trim your pet's nails quickly and safely. First cut your feline friend nails, then put your cat in a bathtub and spread water on its body with the help of shower. Then put a little bit of shampoo on its fur and rub it thoroughly with your soft hands. Then wash his body with warm water and cover your cat in a towel. Then dry its body. You can easily bathe your cat by using this process. Before bath, give your cat any treat and cut his nails. Then take a bucket, filled with soapy water. Put your pet in this bucket and rub its fur gently. After this process, wash its body with clean water. Then cover it in a large cloth. Your cat will be washed easily. If your pet is afraid of water, cat dry shampoo is a great alternative to make your pet feel fresh. These shampoos do not need water to eliminate dust and dirt from the coat of your cat, ensuring convenient cleaning. Vet's Best Waterless Cat Bath Shampoo cleans, conditions, moisturizes and soothes itchy and dry skin, leaving your cat clean and soft. Pump it and apply directly to your cat's coat, or apply to your hand first and gently massage into cat's coat. You can apply it thoroughly from head to paw. No water or rinsing is required. Let air dry, then gently brush or wipe cat with a cloth to remove excess hair or dirt. You will get shiny cat coat. You can also use pet wipes to clean your furry friend, because these help to nourish the skin and coat of your pet. These wipes can also help to reduce dander. Wet Ones multi-purpose wipes are formulated with soothing aloe vera to help moisturize your cat's skin and leave behind a soft, healthy and glowing coat. These are infused with a light fresh scent fragrance to ensure your cat always smells fresh and clean. So you can wash your cat quickly by using given methods and right products.